Question 4. The radius of the gears produced at a factory must be 6 inches in length with a tolerance of 0.1 inch. The gears with radius beyond the tolerated lengths will be thrown away. Let x equal the length of the radius in inches. Which absolute value inequality can be used to assess which gears are eligible? These always get set up the same way. It'll always be absolute value, and you'll follow it with your variable first minus. It's always going to be a subtraction. So we can rule out anything with the plus sign. Then the number after the minus sign is always going to be what it should be, the ideal value. In this case here, the radius of the gears produced at a factory must be 6 inches. So that's the number we want right here. After the less than or equal to, we want to put how much it can be off by. So the word tolerance means like how much it can be off. So it might say error, tolerance, that kind of thing. So that 0.1 will go out there. You may want to look at a graph to visualize what's going on here, but in this case here, what we're looking at is on a number line, we're looking at 6 being the middle number, but it can be off by a little bit. So if you subtract 0.1 from 6, you get 5.9. And if you add 0.1 to 6, you get 6.1. So anything really between 5.9 and 6.1 is an acceptable number of values for this gear. So you may think about a graph to help visualize this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the absolute value x minus 6 in less than or equal to 0.1. So that way I can look at what that looks like on a number line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in at the x-axis where it's centered at 6, and you can see that it's going a little bit below at 5.9 and a little bit above at 6.1, and it's shading everything between. So visually, that's how you can tell that's the correct answer. None of the other ones will produce that, so it's going to be that one right there.